Yo, what's going on everyone? Mike here, and today I'll be bringing you a review of Thermaltake's very first DDR4 memory RAM, the TOUGHRAM RGB. We got a sneak peek of this RAM last Computex, and finally we've got our hands on it, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now before we dive in, we'll be leaving a link in the description below to our second channel, Fury Pixel Gaming, which will be updating with video game trailers and all kinds of gameplay content, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to drop a subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the latest trailers. Now let's get back to the review. At first glance, the TOUGHRAM immediately stands out with the stylish RGB lighting and a brushed aluminum exterior on the front. It looks like they went with a more polygonal design with this RAM, which gives it a bit of a blocky appearance. But personally, I think it's really cool. I love the simplicity of the way they deliver the RGB, and the brushed aluminum gives it a very premium feel. Speaking of RGB, the TOUGHRAM uses 10 addressable LEDs to deliver 16.8 million colors with full spectrum RGB color. You can control the RGB using either the TT RGB Plus software or your motherboard's RGB software like ASUS Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, or ASRock Polychrome, as long as it uses a 5V addressable RGB header. And like most other RGB products from Thermaltake, the TOUGHRAM is compatible with the TT RGB Plus ecosystem, which allows you to sync the RGB lighting effects across all your different Thermaltake RGB products. In addition, it's also compatible with the Razer Chroma RGB ecosystem, Razer Synapse 3. This RAM comes in two different color variations, black and white. This was a really nice touch because it gives you a lot more variety when it comes to getting the look you want for your PC build. So whether you want to go for a dark or light theme, the choice is entirely up to you. Now from a RAM called the TOUGHRAM, you'd expect it to be quite durable, right? Well, built with a 10-layer PCB construction, as expected, this RAM was definitely designed to be incredibly durable and reliable. The 10-layer PCB also features a 2-ounce copper inner layer that helps to enhance electrical conduction and ultimately allows for extra stability and improved performance when it comes to overclocking your RAM. In addition to the PCB, we also have high-quality memory chips, 10 μ or Mi gold fingers that offer high wear resistance, and an aluminum heat spreader for improved heat dissipation. The TOUGHRAM is rated for DDR4 3000 to 4400 MHz and comes in packages of 8GB by 2 or 16GB total. For Thermaltake's first ever RAM, they actually did a great job in terms of performance. They were able to achieve high clock speeds, and in addition, if you're looking to overclock your RAM, you can do so using Intel XMP 2.0, which allows you to overclock directly from your operating system instead of doing it manually. Last but not least, this RAM features an exclusive TOUGHRAM software that allows you to monitor real-time temperature, frequency, and performance, and also create your own custom lighting effects with over 25 lighting modes. What I like most about this software is how simple the interface is, making the software incredibly easy to use. Overall, the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM DDR4 RGB memory is a really well-designed RAM with fully customizable RGB lighting and a premium look and feel with its brushed aluminum exterior. Living up to its name, this RAM offers excellent durability and toughness while delivering high clock speeds and quality performance. And that's all for this video, guys. Let us know what you think about the TOUGHRAM RGB in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you want to support the channel, you can check out our Patreon page in the description below where you can get access to exclusive content. This is Mike. See you next time.